In this quick guide, you'll learn how to edit cells in Zoho Sheets so you can manage your data accurately and confidently. Whether you are brand new to spreadsheets or just shifting to Zoho Sheet, knowing how to edit individual cells is one of the core skills you'll use every day. To begin editing, simply click the cell you want to update. The cell will highlight, showing it's selected and ready. To enter edit mode, you can either double-click the cell or press the enter key. The cursor will appear inside the cell and you can start typing immediately. Make your changes just as you would in any text field, whether you're fixing a typo, adjusting a number, or adding new information. Once you're done, press enter again to confirm the edit. This applies the change and exits edit mode. If you ever make a mistake, you can use the undo option to go back, so there's no need to worry about experimenting or adjusting your entries. Being comfortable with this simple edit process keeps your data accurate and makes working inside large spreadsheets much easier. That's all it takes to edit cells in Zoho Sheet quickly and effectively. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll build confidence with every update.